Hi everyone, welcome to another food adventure, and this time we are going to check the breakfast buffet here at Mark in Swiss Hotel, Clark, Pampanga. Let's go.
Bali for our breakfast po, it's a buffet and then we have different stations. We have the American breakfast, our vegan and vegetarian corner. On that side is our Filipino food and then we have local oysters, dried fish like danggit, dilis, squid. And then on that side is our egg station. We have omelette, sunny side up, egg benedict. And then at the third, we have noodle station, chicken Asian cuisine. On that side, we have vitality salad, fresh fishes, and then just for two persons?
Yes.
Do you have any preferred table? Or you like on the corner, ma'am?
The usual. Kagabi nung kami.
Here, ma'am.
Doon tayo. Oh, here. And
Like? And then if you order egg, ma'am, you can tell your table number 37.
thank you.
Okay, enjoy your breakfast. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to our channel Eat Freedom Travel, and we are still here at Swiss Hotel. We are trying their breakfast buffet. It's an everyday buffet of breakfast, lunch and dinner, very occasional. But anyway, the breakfast amount is 2,100 lang net. Parang ganun. So, as an Accra member, you get 50%. So, yung 2,1 mo, you're just gonna pay 2,1 for 2. May 50% discount for 2 person. Maraming choices din, but of course, we're going to show you kung ano-ano yung mga menu. So, tingnan natin.
Halo-halo.
Yeah. Chicken. Ay. May ano.
Spicy gusto.
Dami nun ah.
Thank you.
Everything on it. And then, the other one, walang spicy dito, no? Wala na. Okay. Yung isa, everything on it. Thank you. 35. Ay, mapagbaliktad ko, Bing. Pork adobo yun, ano?
Sige.
Pork adobo sa palayok. I like it. Chicken BBQ. I'm gonna get chicken BBQ. Okay.
Yeah, hamonado.
Hamonado longa. Dalawa pa?
So, ikaw, kung gusto mo, ako gusto ko isa.
Fried puset. Isa lang. Okay. Sausage. Okay. Akin to ah. Kasi di ba, hindi ka bawal ka ng broccoli. Broccoli.
Kuha ka na ng sausage.
I did. Ah, this one. And bacon. Oops. Crispy yung bacon nila. The crispiness. Okay, let's eat. These are all the food that we got. Korean soup, beef, champorado, breakfast, sausage, etc. What's that?
Orange.
Orange juice. Try the
Ay,
champas.
siguro. O, may daing
Ah,
ka ba?
daing.
Ano saan? Daing.
Ayan. Ay, ang sarap.
Boy.
Seaweed soup.
Ano?
Sarap nito, oh. Seaweed soup. Sarap yung seaweed soup.
Sarap din ang noodles.
Diba ito yung ginagawa? Ano yun? Niluluto sa mga K-drama kapag birthday mo. Sarap pala siya. Pero we notice na wala masyadong Korean food, no?
Napaanghang. Sobra ng sinilagay. Thank you.
Omelette. Latte and Americano.
Almond croissant and egg croissant ata.
They have a lot of tinapay, Danish croissant, and everything na ano, no?
Yeah.
More on breads ang ano nila, specialization. They also have Filipino food, American, Filipino-American eh, no? At saka meron sila ng mga beef mami, mga gano'n. So, the salad, more on hindi ganun kadami, no?
Pero ano? Quality.
Pero quality actually, oo. Hindi ganun kadami. Pero actually, just enough for breakfast. Hindi naman
Pero
siya
corned beef,
lunch.
ewan ko lang. Pero hindi ko masyado gusto yung
Oo, yung corned beef hindi sa, ano namin, hindi siya sa aming taste. Burgers, okay. Bacon, masarap. And they have all types of coffee, no? May caramel macchiato nga eh.
Pwede ka mag-request kahit ano.
Tapos iced coffee. Tapos marami silang pure juice. So, okay naman. It's really the quality kapag sa hotel. And of course, this is a 5-star hotel, di ba? Kaya, ayun. And hindi rin masyadong congested ang ano, no? Ang area. So, sobrang okay.
Ayun, sarap
Chill.
nito, no?
Really?
Almond croissant.
Cafe latte. So you can request any coffee. May macchiato pa. Americano. What else? Brewed and all. Cappuccino. Kasi sa iba. It's black, yeah, brewed coffee lang. You can also request for iced. Sarap.
Do you want to try, ma'am? Freshly baked croissant?
Ah, sige.
Do you want some butter in there?
Okay.
Enjoy your breakfast, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Di ba gusto may ice cream nila?
Ano?
Kakaibang ice cream. Nougat. And blueberry ice cream. So kung gusto nyo na mga kakaiba.
They are serving freshly baked croissant. Kasi Swiss, diba? Try natin
Ang sarap ng
mamaya.
blueberry ice cream. Ang sarap ng blueberry ice cream.
First time.
Yan, kailangan na
Actually, first time.
Kailangan na kasi ng blueberry ice cream. Ito nougat.
Marong.
Nougat na good.
Madur. Cream. Cheesecake. Ice cream and vanilla dark chocolate ice cream. Ang hirap din kasi ng pangalan.
Strawberry.
Stracciatella, whatever. And what's that?
Second batch. Strawberry ice cream.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and of course hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Bye!